Hello, good morning students. Children, if you look at this picture which is given in my page of your social science textbook, what can you say about this picture? Just have a look. Children, this picture is in page number 87, my page. It is picture study. Children, is this picture related to your chapter which we are doing at present? Yes, you will say it is related. And this picture tells you that the water is polluted. Yes, you can see from the drainage pipe, impure water is thrown, and then you can see the river is filled with all waste material, like you have the maybe paper cups, some tire is there, some plastic packets, some boxes. So it is a polluted river. Okay, so as you know, in the chapter which we are doing, that we talked about different types of pollution. Now name the type of pollution shown in this picture. Which type of pollution is shown in this picture, children? Yes, you will all immediately answer that it is water pollution. It is water pollution. The picture is showing that the water, whatever river body, or maybe a river or sea, or maybe a pond or a lake, they are all polluted by different sources. List the causes of this type of pollution. Now, what are the causes for which we have this water pollution? We have already discussed that water pollution is caused when we throw our waste in the water bodies. It can be different type of water bodies. It can be a lake, a pond, or a stream, or a canal, or a sea, river, ocean. Now children, when we throw the waste, we are polluting the river. We are throwing household waste, like our maybe the waste from our houses. As you can see in this picture, some paper cups, plastics are thrown. We can throw our kitchen waste in the river. We go and wash our utensils and clothes in the river. Then we, when we, because of some superstition, we think that if we throw the flowers or some coins in the river, we will be blessed. But in this way, we are polluting the water bodies, isn't it? Then not only household waste from the factories, from industries are thrown in the water bodies. The factory waste have to be dumped somewhere. So what they do, they connect, as you can see in this picture, there is a pipeline which is dumping all the waste in the water body. Children, untreated sewage, like the water from your drainage system, from your washroom, toilets, bathrooms, whatever polluted water you have, if you are throwing it in the water bodies, naturally it will get polluted. And remember children, that the fresh water we get for drinking and for other purposes, we take from the rivers only, isn't it? So we are harming ourselves in this way. Now pollution in water pollution, what we are discussing, can be natural also. Sometimes there may be a storm or a sandstorm. It can be in the desert also, the streams. And so when there is a storm, what happens then? The dust particles or the sand and the soil, due to this storm, they mix with the water, pollute the water. But that is very, in a way you can say very nominal type of pollution. More what we do is man-made pollution. Means man-made causes are more grave in number, and it causes impurity in the water bodies, which should be stopped immediately, as we discussed that various measures are taken by the government to clean the rivers. As I told you, Ganga is our longest river, and that is also polluted a lot. So Operation Ganga has been taken care. The third question is, how can you prevent this type of pollution? Now that you can write yourselves, you can think, put in your ideas here that what are the things you can do to prevent this type. We should not throw any type of waste in the water bodies, whether it is waste from the factories or whether it is household waste. We should not throw sewage water, means this drainage water into the water bodies. If we are dumping any waste material in the, it should be treated and then thrown in the or dumped in the water bodies. We should use our resources carefully. Let us check the answers which I have written. You can write your own and you can check it with mine. Now the first question, as you know, it is talking about which pollution it is shown in this picture. It is water pollution. Next is that what are the causes of this type of pollution. Now water pollution is caused by natural factors and human activities. As I told you, natural factor is not very severe. It is human activities which is severely affecting all the water bodies. Natural factors such as storm often cause soil and other particles to dissolve in water. Sometimes because of the storm, they carry the wind, carry the sand, dust, clay and all this, and they mix with the water bodies, and this way it may be polluted. This pollutes the water, but human activities such as dumping chemical waste from the factories very severe. We are polluting the water by throwing chemical waste, by throwing solid waste, waste from factories in water bodies, dumping household waste, as I told you, and untreated sewage in water bodies cause water pollution. Leakage from oil tankers causes water pollution. As I told you that oil tankers, they carry oil from one place to another, and maybe by accident there is it means the oil starts spilling and it will naturally, oil doesn't mix with the water and it will float, and this causes severe damage to the marine animals in water. Okay, so this is leakage from the oil tanker also causes water pollution. Now the third question, number C is, or number 3, sorry. How can you prevent this type of pollution? You can write of your own. I have written, we should not throw waste in water bodies. We should use our resources carefully. These resources, like I told you, air, water, then the trees, the forest, they are all our resources, minerals. They should be used carefully. So this is my answer. You can write of your own the third answer, that how you think we should preserve our resources and how we should stop this type of pollution. Can it be water pollution or land pollution or noise pollution or maybe the air pollution. So what are the things we can do to stop this type of pollution? Okay, so write these answers in my page number 87. Thank you.